Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Leisure Sport Smartwatch for Women Girl Fitness Tracker. This smartwatch is a game changer and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First off, the design of this smartwatch is sleek and stylish, perfect for any woman or girl who wants to stay on top of their fitness and health goals. With a 1.69-inch screen and 240*280 resolution, it's easy to see all of your important information at a glance. But it's not just a pretty face, this smartwatch is packed with features to help you stay on track. It supports 24-hour automatic heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen health monitoring, body temperature, and home health function. It also has 25 sports modes, so whether you're walking, running, cycling, or practicing yoga, this smartwatch has got you covered. Not to mention, it also supports information notification, pedometer, and sleep record, making it easy to keep track of your daily activity and health. And let's talk about the languages it supports: Chinese, traditional, English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Spanish, Russian, and Dutch. No matter where you're from, this smartwatch has got you covered. The Q23 model also comes with Bluetooth 5.2, a battery capacity of 330 Ah, and a duration of 7 to 14 days, depending on personal use. And with sensors like the heart rate sensor, motion sensor, and body temperature sensor, you can trust that this smartwatch is giving you accurate and reliable information. With features like message reminders, alarm clock, custom dial, and more, this smartwatch is truly a one-stop shop for all of your health and fitness needs. So, if you're ready to take control of your health and fitness, I highly recommend checking out the Leisure Sport Smartwatch for Women Girl Fitness Tracker. You can find the link to purchase this amazing smartwatch in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and content just like this.